Imagine a home with space for everyone. 4 bedrooms, multiple living areas, and a huge yard where kids can run free. This Ocean Acres property offers the peace of acreage living while still being close to schools, amenities, and coastal beaches. Welcome to 2 Ironbark Court. Let's take a look. With a versatile studio, generous entertaining deck, and sustainable features like solar and water tanks, this home is designed for families to grow, connect, and enjoy. Secure your slice of space and serenity today. Call today for more information.